Raiz automatically invests spare change from everyday purchases into a diversified portfolio. Raiz is a micro-investing app, which means it allows users to invest a few dollars at a time. Raiz spawns from its American parent, Acorns, starting life under the same name in Australia before transitioning into Raiz. It makes investing more accessible and funner for millennials through its interesting investing strategies, exciting app, and lower fees. Raiz allows users to round up everyday purchases, whether that be a coffee on the way to work or your groceries. A roundup is the process of rounding up a purchase to the nearest dollar and investing the difference. For example, if you spend $3.50 on a coffee, the purchase will be rounded up to $4 and the difference of 50 cents will be added to the roundup bucket and then invested into your Raiz account when the bucket reaches over $5. This money is then invested into your choice of 5 portfolios depending on your risk tolerance. These range from conservative through to aggressive. There is also a 6th portfolio, the Emerald, which is centered around ethical investments, but has slightly higher fees. Each portfolio is made up of ETFs. An ETF, or exchange traded fund, is a basket of securities that trade on an exchange, just like a stock. For accounts smaller than $10,000, there is a fee of $2.50 per month. For accounts larger than $10,000, there is a fee of 0.275% per annum. For Emerald, it is a combination of both fees, at both $2.50 a month and $2.75 per year, regardless of the balance. There are 3 main reasons I like and would recommend Raiz. One is that it's the easiest way I can think of to start out investing. With a minimum of $5, the bar to entry has been pretty much taken away, meaning that anyone can get their feet wet investing, and also making it perfect for beginners. Another reason to like Raiz is that they are constantly adding new features, including Raiz Super, Raiz Kids, and Raiz Rewards, all of which will be covered in future videos. If you have never invested or don't have the money, then Raiz is the perfect way to get into the world of finance, stocks, and investing. The setup is easy, cheap, and risk has been minimized to make the experience as simple as possible. It is also a cool way to invest on the side for people who are already in the investing world, giving you an interesting way of adding to your wealth in the market. I've included a code that when redeemed on sign-up will give you a bonus $5, so make sure to check that out. If you like finance content as much as I do, consider subscribing. It helps the channel out immensely and takes very little time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.